Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to be going over something super useful for Mac users: how to easily change your sound input and output devices. Upbeat, short transition music. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From there, click on System Settings. Now in System Settings, look for Sound and click on that. This will bring you to all of your sound settings, which is exactly where we need to be. The sections we're interested in are the input and output settings. So let's start with input. Clicking sound effect. Go ahead and click on the Input tab. You'll now see a list of all the input sound devices currently connected to your Mac. Just select the one you want to use. In my case, I've got a microphone connected via Scarlett Solo USB device, so I've selected that one. Now, let's move on to output. Click on the Output tab. Clicking sound effect. Similar to the input, you'll see a list of all the output devices connected to your Mac. Again, simply select the one you want to use. I've connected an external monitor with built-in speakers, so I'm going to select that device. Now one quick tip from my own experience. If you ever run into any bugs, glitches, or problems with your Mac sound, I found that simply restarting your Mac and reselecting the input or output device often fixes the issue.
Just a little troubleshooting tip for you. Short pause.
So that's it.
A super easy way to change your sound input and output on your Mac.
I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful tips and tricks. You can find all the links to any products mentioned in the description below. Thanks for watching.